Vanakkam. We'll move on to the second topic in unit number 1. In the first unit, we had a discussion regarding about concept and the role of a mutual fund. This topic, that is second topic in unit number 1, which we are going to discuss about fund structure and the constituents. In this unit, what we are going to discuss is the legal structure of mutual fund, other service providers, and the organization of AMC. The first one is the legal structures of mutual fund. What is the legal structure? It is nothing but it is a legal environment which is created for the purpose of running a business in mutual fund industry as per the expectation of the government of India. We were all aware that mutual funds are taking the model from USA, which was introduced by UTI, Unit Trust of India, in India, first time, and they have run it in the business for several number of years. And to make it to control and regularize the business of mutual fund industry, Securities Exchange Board of India Mutual Fund Regulations was introduced in 1996 and followed by Association of Mutual Funds of India, which was introduced. There is a nodal agency to look after all the activities performing in the mutual fund industry is going to controlled by AMFI. So with us, all regulations, as per the SEBI regulation 1996, if any business wants to be started, any mutual fund company wants to start its business in India, means it has to be registered only as a trust. So it's not like a corporate company, it is not like a partnership firm, it is not a sole proprietorship, it is only a trust. So when the trust is formed, only for the trust, the SEBI regulation 1996 is providing license to start up the mutual fund business in India. And the second part of is the sponsors. The mutual fund trust is created by one or more sponsors. Who are the sponsors? Who are the main persons behind the mutual fund business? So for starting up this particular business, who one is going to be giving investment initially to the company? They are called as they are the sponsors. In India, some of the mutual fund schemes are run by a popular banks, commercial banks. I take the example SBI, ICICI, Aditya Birla Group, Kodak. These are the people. They have both run the financial activity. It's called banking business, as well as they run the trust for circulating the money, collecting the money in the way of mutual fund schemes. And we will move on to the next one, beneficiaries. Naturally, every trust have its own beneficiaries. Without the beneficiary, there is no business and all. The beneficiaries in the case of mutual fund trust are the investor who invest in various schemes of the mutual fund. So who is going to invest in the mutual fund? Either the investor, the mutual fund unit holder, or they are the major sponsors are called as they are the beneficiaries of their mutual fund. And next one is the trust deed. It is like an agreement made between the investor as well as in the company. Whenever you can, I think you can see the advertisements here, mutual fund deed, or mutual fund document. To before making to invest, please read carefully the mutual fund investment deed or the agreement, like that is called the trust deed. The trust deed is operation of the mutual fund trust are governed by the trust deed, which is executed by the sponsors. SEBI has laid down various classes that need to be part of the trust deed. And move on to the next one, trustees. So who are the trustees? Naturally, the people who are all belongs to the beneficiaries or the sponsors. They are called become the trustees. But appointing the trustees, there will be a nomenclature. That means a standard procedure is given by SEBI. To make it, any person may not be possible to become the trustee of the any mutual fund scheme. It should have its own regulations, rules. Once it's followed, the SEBI will be approved for having the trustees for the people. But trustees are important. Without trustees, no fund can be generated. The role of protecting the interest of the beneficiaries is that of the trustees. What is the role? The first trustees are named in the trust deed, which also prescribe the procedure for changing the trustees. So in this particular slide, we have discussed about trust, sponsors, beneficiaries, trust deed, and trustees. Nandri.